Vietnam is known for their coffee, kaya masaya mag-cafe hopping dito. If you're flying to Da Nang anytime soon, don't miss these cafes. Number 1, Quang Ngo Cafe. I love the ambience at this cafe. Ang relaxing sa loob, particularly dahil may mga koi fish pond sila dito. Ang sarap lang nilang panoorin. Para kang nasa forest kapag nandito ka sa loob. May pa-mist pa yan sila, kaya very Instagrammable tong lugar. Marami ding iba pang mga photo spots sa loob. Ang laki-laki ng cafe, may iba't ibang rooms sila dito, mostly outdoor. Pero for sure, hindi kayo mauubusan ng upuan dito. There were some tourists and locals when I visited on a weekday afternoon. I got their salt cream coffee, tapos ito yung menu nila. Mukhang masarap din yung mga fruit drinks nila dito. Reasonable din yung mga prices. Ang cheapest drink nila ay 27,000 Vietnamese dong. That's approximately 60 pesos. Number 2, Rom Coffee. If you're looking for a place that's close to the beach but not crowded, this one's for you. Ang cute rin dito kasi ang daming spots for you to get cozy. Kung gusto nyo, dito kayo sa labas mismo. May mga upuan din dyan. Wala nga lang silang aircon. I got their white coffee with topping cream for 38,000 Vietnamese dong or 84 pesos. By the way, if you're looking for things to do in Da Nang, make sure to binge watch our Da Nang playlist. And if you're booking any activity on Klook, don't forget to use my promo code TRAVELERKLOOK to get a discount. Number 3, La Bicicleta Cafe. Nagustuhan ko yung ambience dito sa La Bicicleta Cafe kasi parang weekend vibe lang siya. Parang lumabas ka lang sa garahe nyo para uminom ng kape at magbasa-basa kasi wala ka ng agenda sa buong araw. Very homey yung vibe ng cafe na to. I of course had to order their egg chocolate priced at 39,000 Vietnamese dong or 85 pesos. Number 4, Lu Cafe. If you need to get some work done, this is the place for you. Kilala yung cafe na working area kaya marami ditong mga foreigners na may laptop na dala. So hindi ka mahihiya na makitambay ng matagal. Marami ring power outlets dito. I really got a lot of work done since it felt like I was at a co-working space. I ordered their condensed milk coffee for 38,000 Vietnamese dong or 84 pesos paired with a chocolate croissant. Number 5, Highlands Coffee. This is the most famous coffee house in Vietnam. This branch I visited was in Hoi An, but they have branches all over Da Nang. I tried their lychee drink. May buo-buo talaga siyang mga lychee. Very refreshing. There you go. For more travel videos, check my TikTok playlists. Enjoy Vietnam!